guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for coming back. So today I went for more and glitter. I swear, I think majority of the videos that I have on my channel have some kind of glitter or shimmer in it. But Storm Cosmetics, I've been in love with their hand pressed glitter, so I cannot not try and do a look with their glitter. So this is another look featuring Storm Cosmetics pressed glitter, and I don't have the name for this one. Let me look it up. Let me look it up. Let me look it up. Let's see. Here it is. What is it called? Aquarius. Okay. I knew I wasn't crazy, and I knew that no company in their right mind would name their eyeshadow that long. So anyways, this look, I have Aquarius on the eyelid, and it's this wonderful, beautiful color. Gorgeous. That's why I say gorgeous in all my videos, so I'm gonna have to think of other words, other synonyms. So stunning, that one. So anyways, so if you want to see how I created this look, how to accomplish this look, then please keep on watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. To start off, we're going to go in with that mustard shade. It resembles a Chickadee from Makeup Geek, in case you have that. And we're going to use this as our transition color using a small tapered blending brush. Next, I'm going to go in with a pencil brush and a dark green shade right there. And I'm going to use this to cut out my crease, and then to blend it out into the crease, I'm going to use a light color shade. Next, I'm going to cut out my crease even more by using the Anastasia Beverly Hills concealer, and I'm putting this all over my lid to prep it for some eyeshadow and to make that crease even sharper. Next, I'm going in with a lighter green shade, and I'm using this to smudge out that line in the crease to deepen it up and give it more dimension. And as always, for glitter, I'm going to use the Lit Cosmetics liquid base, putting that down first, letting it get tacky, and then I'm going to apply the Storm Cosmetics pressed glitter in Aquarius over top of that. If you don't have the Lit Cosmetics liquid base, you can also use a glitter glue. with foundation, and I have been loving this combination. It's the Buxom Lightweight Foundation, Meet Me Latte, and the MAC Cosmetics Studio Fix Fluid on the perimeter of my face, and then the Buxom is going on the inner portion of my face. And I start from the perimeter and work my way in. So as I go in towards my nose, I have less and less product, which is the goal for me. I don't want to emphasize my pores because they are really big. So I want to apply less product towards the inner of my face versus the perimeter. And overall, trying to use less foundation to make the skin really come through. Next, we're going to go on with concealer, and I'm using one of my favorites from the MAC Cosmetics Pro Longwear Concealer. And I'm using a concealer brush to apply this to all of the light points of my face, which is under the eye for highlight and lift, the middle of my nose, a little bit of my forehead, and then afterward, we are going to bake with Laura Mercier's translucent powder, as if I use anything else at the moment. Next, we are going to contour the face, and I'm using the Beautiful Bronze by LA Girl Cosmetics. I love their concealers, and I'm going to use it's an angled brush. I'm not sure the proper term for it, but I know it's an angled brush, and I'm going to use that for my nose contour, and then I'm going to just use the regular concealer brush to apply the contour below my cheekbones and on my forehead. Then I'm going to blend this out using a Makeup Addiction Cosmetics sponge. And then again, going into my nose contour with that angled brush. This brush works perfectly for the nose contour. It gets right in close to the inner corner. Next, I'm going in with the Luscious Cosmetics Matte Drama Palette, and I'm going to use those two dark shades to set that contour in place. Sharpening up my contour using the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I'm going to let that sit for a few seconds and then wipe it away with a face brush. Set the rest of your face, I'm going to go in with my favorite blush, Tenderhearted from Pacifica Beauty. Next, Next, we're going to go in with the liquid highlighter. Don't you hate when your eyelash is not all the way on? So that's what I just did. I took it off and I reapply it later. Away We Glow NYX liquid highlighter in Daytime Halo. And then we're going to apply the Makeup Revolution Gold Addict on top of that. Next, I'm going to work on the lower lash line, and first I'm going to apply a nude liner in my waterline, and then I'm going to use this gorgeous purple shimmery shade from the palette and smudge that into the lower lash line. Afterward, we're going to apply mascara from the Tarte Cosmetics line, Lights Camera Lashes, I believe. Creature of habit. I have to come up with a new lip combo, and I will one day, but for right now this is my favorite. I'm using the Plum lip liner from MAC Cosmetics, and then Stripped by Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick, and then I'm going to apply the Bare Minerals 24K over top of that. After I hit the inner corner with like it's not a white shimmer, but it's a cross between white and gold shimmer. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.